Today, I'm going to be unboxing not one, but two Be Quiet Pure Wings 2 80mm fans. So let's get to unboxing. Okay, so you apparently unbox them from the bottom. It's easier that way. Screws. There's that one. And there's that one. So I will be replacing these two 80mm fans with the new Be Quiet fans. So let me just turn this around and unscrew these fans. I'm gonna have to unplug some cables in order for it to rotate. Now it is recommended to do this diagonally instead of top and bottom or left and right. Unscrew these diagonally on either side. Here's this fan. And here's the other one. Now it's time to put in the new Be Quiet fans. I usually would recommend putting it this way on the back panel of any chassis because it will blow air out this way. If you put it in the opposite, it will bring air into the case. But for a back panel case, it's recommended if you put it in this way. All right, so let me pop this one in. I'd recommend getting started on it just so you don't have to hold it in place while screwing these in. Now that that fan's installed, it's time to put this one in. Okay, I have both fans installed. Now it's time to plug them into the motherboard. Okay, so for the top fan, I'm going to be putting it right here for chassis fan number 1. Just gonna route it around these cables here. Right there. Now with the other fan, I had to use an extension cable and route it behind the case, but it's gonna go right underneath there. Okay, so I unfortunately had to do it off camera, but I plugged it in right there underneath the chipset LED. Okay, so I have the new fans installed, so I'm going to turn on the computer. I'm also going to go into the BIOS just to confirm that they're running properly. So you'll notice that right here, chassis fan 1 and chassis fan 2, it is not recommended to put the fans in the water pump plug because it'll just run them at full speed and possibly wear out the bearings. And with this motherboard, there's only 2 chassis fan plugs, so that's where I put the fans. That's where I'll have them as of now. I will get a splitter to put them into one plug. But other than that, that is how you install Be Quiet fans. Thanks for watching. Now, while you are on your computer, a lot of you tend to have problems with it, such as slow performance, a lot of viruses, anything like that. Before you take it to the repair shop or consider buying a new one, come to my website, remotetechassistance.com. While you're there, please download my 7 simple secrets to make your computer run faster. It is free, it is simple, and it is also safe. Also, if you do not want to look at the PDF, come to my Remote Tech Assistance channel on YouTube and watch the secrets there. They are also as simple as the PDF file. Just go to remotetechassistance.com. There is a link in the description below.